Hi! Today we'll be looking at the benefits of using Biofresh Super Absorbent with Disinfectant. Biofresh easily cleans up biohazard accidents such as vomit, blood, and other body fluids while treating the spill with a powerful disinfecting agent. Safe to use, Biofresh is a specially engineered encapsulator designed to instantly contain, absorb, and disinfect liquids on contact. Biofresh turns contaminated liquid waste into solid waste for fast and easy disposal, while leaving the surface clean and dry. OSHA requires that every employer with one or more employees must have a bloodborne pathogen plan in place. Biofresh and Biofresh kits offer safe, effective solutions to include in your bloodborne pathogen plan. Thanks for watching and choosing Exor products to sweep spills away.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.